Welcome to this guided gratitude meditation by Luna London. In this meditation, we invite you to slow down, be present, and practice gratitude with us. Feel free to let go of any worries that may be weighing you down. To help you feel more grounded and to feel more grateful. We are grateful that you are joining us today. When you are ready, go ahead and get super comfortable, sitting in a relaxed, yet alert, upright position. Adjust yourself, making sure your back is well supported. Now, go ahead and gently close your eyes. If aligned for you, place one hand on your belly and one on your heart space. Begin to gently slow down your breathing. 10 seconds. Now, as you relax deeper and deeper, take a big, deep breath in. The biggest you have taken all day long. And let out any stress and any tension with a nice, big sigh. Let's do that again. Breathe in and out. Let it all go. Now return to your natural breath and let's reflect on your life in this present moment. Paying attention to what is going right for you. What are you grateful for in this moment? What are you happy about? Is there someone in particular that you are grateful for? Take a mental note of all the things you can appreciate in your life. No matter how big or small they may be. Just focus now on what is bringing you joy. As you reflect on what is going well, begin to imagine a glowing ball of energy forming deep inside your heart space. With each one of these things that you visualize, I want you to imagine this ball of energy getting brighter and brighter. Maybe you are grateful for this thirst-quenching water that nourishes and hydrates your body, making you feel alive. Or the glorious sunshine that envelopes you in its comforting warmth. Maybe you are grateful for your body and all the mechanisms within your system that are working in beautiful harmony to keep you alive and thriving. Maybe you are grateful for your cozy bed, which rejuvenates you, helping you feel well and rested to go out and chase your dreams. Or perhaps you are just really grateful for simply waking up today and getting to experience another day of being alive. Take some more deep breaths now as you hold on to what you have visualized for a little bit longer, letting that ball of energy grow larger and brighter with every single inhale. Imagine this glowing ball of light is like your own personal sun that you can always access no matter how you are feeling. This internal sunshine of gratitude is available to you at all times. Take a moment now to bask in your own warmth. Know that you can come back to gratitude and focus on what's going well in your life at any moment. Remember, what you focus on expands. And when you focus on what you can be grateful for, more good things will flow into your life. You can now begin to open your eyes as you continue your day in an attitude of gratitude. Thank you so much for meditating with Luna London today. If you would like to keep up to date with new videos, you can go ahead and click the subscribe link. If you would like to play some affirmations today, you can go ahead and click on this video. Until next time, take care.